Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It. Today we're going to change the turn signal bulbs on this 2024 GMC Terrain. Alright guys, pop the hood. You got this latch, you're going to push it over and lift the hood up. And now you have this rod, take it out of there and put it on this hole right there. Next, the bulbs are under here, so turn this counterclockwise and pull up. And your bulb is right in there. Next, just reach in there and turn this way, counterclockwise, and pull it out. That's what the bulb looks like. All right, these bulbs just pull right out. Get yourself another bulb. All right, guys, these are the bulbs you need. Once you get your new bulb, just put it right in, insert it. Once it's seated like that, turn it this way, clockwise to lock in place. Put your cover on, same thing, make sure it's seated right. There you go, and then turn it to lock in place. All right guys, that's it. Do the same thing on the other side and you're all done. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.